Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and what do I have here? Stay tuned. We've heard a lot about people wanting to paint their interiors of their vinyl windows, and how many times I would just say, no, don't do it because you're gonna destroy the window, you're probably gonna lose your warranty, it's gonna create issues. This is Anlin's designer black window. So this is going to be black on the outside, black on the inside. Everybody's asked for it for the longest time. Trust me, I've been asked that for a long time. Today is the day. So this is showcasing our beautiful Anin Panoramic, which means a thin frame, 1.5 inches from the start of the glass to where the beginning of the frame is, not including the actual retro flange. What we have here is a white window frame that was cap stocked, okay? C-A-P-S-T-O-C-K. It is not the same as paint. Paint has been sprayed on, goes into a curing stage where it goes into a heater for a while, and then it goes out and it gets staged in the wide open, and it takes time for it to cure. This is a little bit different, and excuse the analogy, but this is kind of a little bit more like your wife goes to get her nails done and they put on acrylic and then they put the UV light on it and it cures it. Well, that's kind of a lot like what they did here. It makes it very strong and it bonds to the original white frame, tan frame, whatever they're gonna use. When you open the window and you're looking, there is nothing that is white. So it really truly is a black on black window. Absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely an upgrade and a more expensive option, but people want what they want. Now we can offer it, and I'm super, super happy about that. They do that on sliding windows, they do it on casements, they do it on sliding doors, French doors, everything. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna spin this window around, and I'm gonna show you, and this is how we would know that it's going to be white on the inside. So this area that you see is never going to be seen once the window is installed. So this is going to be on the side of the house, the stucco. It's going to be over the top of that, covering the original main frame, and is not going to create scratch marks or issues as you're operating your window. And when people ask, well, what took Anlin so long to actually come up with this? They wanted to get it right the first time, which I love. They wanted to make sure that the blend, that everything that they're gonna do to cure the window, make sure that it's the right property, make sure that it's gonna stick very well against the window, not create service issues, nightmares down the road. So they waited until they came up with the perfect blend, and boom, here you have it. Absolutely gorgeous. So Anlin now has the designer black window where it's inside and out. So if you are interested in, getting some beautiful, beautiful windows on your house that are gonna be warranted, which is a huge thing. If you paint it on the inside and you think it's gonna be okay, which it will not, I don't care what anybody says, there's not gonna be a warranty. Well, with this, you will have a warranty. Absolutely fantastic. I am extremely happy to introduce this to my customers from this point on. So now you guys know. Hopefully, this has been helpful. If you guys have any questions, you can go on to Anlin's website, which is anlin.com, and dig in and actually get more information on these things. They're absolutely stunning. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.